In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign ownership of records in HubSpot. Whether you're cleaning up data or improving routing, assigning owners ensures accountability and clear next steps. We'll start with a quick individual fix for a single company, then move to a faster bulk method for contacts. From your HubSpot home, open the CRM. For the individual method, head to Companies. Use filters to find unowned companies quickly. Ensure correct object type. Open the company you want to assign. Confirm it's the right record by checking domain and recent activity. On the left sidebar of the record, hover over the company owner property and click it to edit. In the picker, search for the user you want to assign as the owner and select them. Owners must be existing users with access. Use search to find them. The change saves immediately, and the owner will now appear on that company record, which can also affect associated contacts, deals, and workflows depending on your setup. Now let's speed things up with the bulk approach. Return to the CRM, then go to Contacts. If you're focusing on unassigned people, filter by owner is unknown to target unassigned records before selecting. Check the boxes next to the contacts you want to assign. Use the Select All option if your filter results should all go to the same person. At the top of the table, click Assign. In the Assignment panel, open the Owner dropdown. It may show No Owner if records are currently unassigned. Choose the correct owner from the list. Match owners to territories or teams to keep routing consistent and measurable. When you're ready, click Update to apply the change in bulk. You'll see a confirmation, and the Owner column will reflect the new assignment across all selected contacts. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you have edit permissions for the object type you're changing, otherwise the Assign option won't appear. If you don't see a user in the owner list, they need to be added to your HubSpot account and given access. After assigning, consider sorting your view by last activity date, or creating a saved view so owners can prioritize their newly assigned records. That's it. An individual update for one record, and a bulk update for many at once. Assigning ownership regularly keeps your CRM organized and your team aligned. If this was helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more.